the top of the wall. Start that. You should not be way too further back on the ramp. You should be up here. You should look all the way up. Like that, and catch yourself with 2 walls. Or 1. Use a floor. And then a stair. Onto the stair, floor, stair. Like this. Wall, cone. The stair. Do a 180. Jump and edit it. Wall, wall. On a side hop, do this. And place a cone. 2 variations starting from here. You can either place 2 walls and then do an elevated side hop, or you can edit the pyramid to this. To extend the take, you can do the same thing like this, or do this to start tubing. Something like that. Wall, cone, stair, floor, stair. That's to extend the combo. Or you can do like the last one, this, and this, if you want to continue it. Okay, to start this retake, you want to build, well, just gonna build out. Anytime, you can do this while double ramping. Okay, so you want to place a pyramid and edit one of these 2 corners, or you can edit these 2. Well, I think editing this is a better option. This still kind of covers you from this angle. You want to jump to the side and turn around and place a ramp right here. So like this. And you're gonna land on the ramp, and then you want to put a swipe cone facing this way like this. And then you want to do the stair, floor stair. Then the stair, pyramid, and then pyramid to this way. Come to the side like this. Catch yourself with a wall and a floor. Wall and a stair, and then put 2 walls here, and then you want to side hop like that. You want to land on the ramp, and then place another pyramid. If you want, you can place 2 walls here again, and then side hop this way. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Keep in mind that you can take each an individual retake from each retake together as a whole. So, for example, you can take this part and then combine it with another retake, like you do this, do this, do this, and then you do that side hop. You can combine those, or you can do like this, 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 and then side hop instead. You can take each retake from the whole group of retakes I had. And don't forget, have a nice day. Subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, see you guys. Mwah.